This little creature, emerging from the cocoon, is actually the earthworm we all know. Earthworms are segmented animals. Different species of earthworms vary greatly in the number of segments. They are usually composed of over 100 segments, except for the first and last segment. Each segment bears tiny bristles, typically arranged in 4 pairs per segment. When it moves in its burrow, the bristles can extend and grip the tunnel wall, preventing the body from slipping backward. Combined with muscle contractions, it achieves a wave-like motion. At the very front of the earthworm's body, the first segment has a fleshy, leaf-like projection called the prostomium, similar to a human's mouth and lips. Its main functions are feeding and burrowing. Of course, the simplest way to distinguish head from tail is to observe their crawling direction. Behind the prostomium lies the brain, heart, and reproductive system, and this ring-like swelling is the clitellum. During reproduction, it secretes mucus, forming a cocoon. To encase the fertilized eggs, the end, which is the tail, is used for excretion. Each adult earthworm possesses both male and female reproductive organs, but cannot self-fertilize. They must mate with another earthworm to exchange sperm. When 2 mature earthworms meet in moist soil, they align themselves ventrally head to tail. The head of one earthworm aligns with the clitellum region of the other. Their bodies lock together tightly using setae, exchanging sperm. At this time, the clitellum secretes a large amount of thick mucus, which envelops the area where the 2 earthworms are joined, forming a mucus tube, to prevent their bodies from drying out. Subsequently, the male genital pores of each earthworm release sperm and transfer it into the other spermaticae for storage. This process may last for several hours. After the sperm exchange is complete, the 2 earthworms separate. At this point, each earthworm's sperm is stored in the other spermaticae. A few days later, the earthworm's clitellum secretes a protein-rich, sticky substance again, forming a band. The earthworm then moves this band forward through muscle contractions. When the band passes over the female genital pore, it draws in several eggs from the pore. As it continues to move forward, passing over the spermaticacal pore, it injects the sperm previously stored from its partner. Actual fertilization occurs inside the band. The sperm and eggs combine to form zygotes. Finally, this band, containing the zygotes, completely detaches from the earthworm's head. Its ends quickly close and seal, forming a lemon-shaped cocoon. This egg cocoon is usually left in the soil. It can hatch after a few weeks.